Hi, this is Lana Shea, an Iowa mom, and I have a really easy apple crisp recipe to share with you today. Let's start with preheating the oven to 375 degrees. While that's heating up, we're going to butter an 8x8 or a 9x9 baking dish. You could also use a deep pie pan. Since this recipe doesn't have a lot of sugar, use Gala or Fuji or another sweet apple. Into the pan, we put 4 to 5 cups of apple pieces. I'm using some that I froze from my apple crop this year. If you don't have sliced apples already, you can use a potato peeler, peel your apples, core them, and slice them up. Or if you want something easier, you can buy them already sliced at the store. Over that, I add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and then just mix it in with my fingers. Next, we cut up a small tablespoon of butter and just add little dots of it all over the apples. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix together 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup rolled oats, and it can be either quick oats or old-fashioned, doesn't matter. A 1/2 cup brown sugar, and we pack it into the measuring cup. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and a 1/2 teaspoon salt. We mix that all together. Now we'll use a 1/4 cup of cold butter, cut it in tiny pieces, and then I squish it with my fingers into the flour until the little tiny pieces of butter are about the size of a pea. Now we take that mixture and crumble it all over the top of the apples. Now we'll put it in a 375 degree oven and bake it for 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, we check to see, does it look nice and toasty around the edges? If so, then we take a knife and poke the apples. Are they nice and tender? If they're not, bake another 5 minutes, test again until they are. Now we're going to serve up our apple crisp. Now I've got them in bowls, but I also like to top it off with a little bit of the Ready Whip. It tastes good, it doesn't have that much calories, or you could serve it with ice cream. Now wasn't that easy? And besides that, it's delicious. This is Lana Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching. On YouTube.com and Iowa Mom Videos, select the Video tab to find a whole list of helpful videos.